Welcome back to our data engineering series. In this video, we'll dive deep into one of the most essential concepts in data engineering, data pipelines. A data pipeline is a system or process that moves data from one place to another, often transforming it along the way. Imagine a factory assembly line. Raw materials go in, they are refined and assembled, and a finished product comes out. Similarly, data pipelines take raw, unprocessed data, clean, and process it, and deliver it as ready-to-use information. Data pipelines are crucial in today's data-driven world. Businesses collect vast amounts of data from diverse sources, everything from sales transactions and web analytics to IoT devices and customer feedback. However, this raw data is often incomplete, inconsistent, or disorganized. Pipelines automate the journey of data, ensuring it flows seamlessly, is transformed correctly, and reaches its destination in a usable format. There are two primary types of data pipelines, ETL and ELT. ETL, extract, transform, load. In this method, data is extracted from the source, transformed into the desired format, and then loaded into the storage system. This approach is commonly used when transformations are complex or must happen before storage. ELT, extract, load, transform. Here, data is first extracted and loaded into storage as is. Transformations occur later within the storage system. ELT is preferred for modern cloud architectures where large-scale processing can be performed in data warehouses. A typical data pipeline includes the following components. Source systems. These are the origins of the data, such as relational databases, APIs, or IoT devices. Processing engines. Frameworks like Apache Spark, Apache Flink, or Python scripts process data at scale. Storage systems. Processed data is stored in systems like Snowflake, Amazon Redshift, or Azure Data Lake for analysis. Orchestration tools like Apache Airflow or Prefect schedule and monitor pipeline workflows, ensuring reliability and efficiency. For example, consider an e-commerce platform. A data pipeline might ingest customer transaction data, clean it to remove duplicates, enrich it with location data, and store it in a data warehouse. This data is then used to generate dashboards for business insights or feed machine learning models for personalized product recommendations. Data pipelines can operate in two main modes. Batch pipelines, these process data in intervals. For instance, a pipeline might aggregate daily sales data and store it for monthly reporting. Real-time pipelines, these handle data as it is generated. They are used in scenarios like fraud detection, where immediate action is required. Building reliable pipelines comes with challenges. Engineers must ensure data quality, handle pipeline failures gracefully, and design systems that scale with data growth. Automation tools like Datadog help monitor and maintain pipeline health. In conclusion, data pipelines are the lifeblood of any data-driven organization. They enable the smooth and efficient flow of data from raw sources to actionable insights. Whether powering dashboards, machine learning models, or real-time applications, pipelines make modern data systems possible. In our next video, we'll explore another essential part of data engineering, data storage and management. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge development tools. Meta Design Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us at this email ID. See you in the next video.